Now let's make a list of all the meta characters that we have in regular expression. To start with this backslash, which is one of the meta character, this is normally used to drop or change the special meaning of a character. Normally when I'm writing suppose small d, so that is an alphabet, but I'm going to keep a slash before the d, the meaning is going to change. It's not going to be treated as a simple alphabet, rather it has a specific meaning then. Coming to the square brackets, which is used to start with this backslash, which is one of the meta character, this is normally used to drop or change the special meaning of a character. Normally when I'm writing suppose small d, the symbol caret, which is going to match at the beginning. So if I'm going to keep caret followed by some alphabet, it is going to find out what are the strings, what are the substrings which begins with that particular character. Similarly, dollar is the one which I'm going to use to see whether a particular set of string is ending with this particular character. Suppose I'm writing say S followed by dollar, which means I'm going to check whether a particular string is ending with S or not. Now dot is going to check with any character except a new line character. Whereas this broken pipe is nothing but means the or. So whenever we are going to match one or more characters, we want to separate with the help of this or, just like your logical or, like either this or that. Similarly, we can use, suppose I'm writing a or a bracket, I mean this broken pipe followed by b. So when I'm writing a or b means I'm going to match any one of the character, that is either a or b. Now coming to this question mark, which is going to match either 0 or 1 occurrence exactly. Suppose I'm writing AB. So AB is the suppose a string we have. So I'm going to check A followed by question mark, which means it has to begin with A followed by question mark has to replace only one character. So AB is suitable here because it matches with one occurrence. Suppose I'm writing only A, that also going to be matched because this question mark can be replaced with 0 also. So this question mark represents either match with 0 or 1 occurrence exactly. Now coming to this asterisk, asterisk indicates that any number of occurrences including 0. So 0 or more occurrences are possible. Now plus is nothing but it is going to check either 1 or more occurrence. You can compare this to like question mark is just going to look after only 0 or 1 occurrence, but whereas in plus minimum is 1 and it can be more than 1 also. Now this curly bracket or the pair of curly braces will indicate number of occurrences of a preceding regular expression. Suppose before this I'm going to write say some d here, and inside this I'm going to write 2, which means this d occurrences has to happen 2 times. Then only that pattern is going to be matched. And this normal pair of parentheses we can use to enclose a group of regular expressions. When multiple regular expressions are there, we want to group them together at one place. We can take the help of this normal parenthesis. So let's understand with some few examples. So when I'm taking the help of the square brackets, so let's say here we have kept the characters A, B, C. Now if I'm going to take A, so there is one match is found. If I'm taking some A and C, so A is matching, the C is also matching, so there is 2 matches. But here if I'm writing some Hey Jude, so you can see there is no A, there is no B, there is no C, hence no match has been found. If I'm taking a string like A, B, C, D, E, C, A, so A, B, C matches with A, B, C, and also here C, A also matches C and A, so there are 5 matches found. Now the caret symbol is used to check if a string begins with or starts with a certain character. For example, here we have given caret followed by small a. So if I'm taking this as a string A, so this is matching because it's beginning with A. Similarly, here I've taken one more string, say A, B, C. It also begins with the small a, hence this is also matching. But if I'm taking B, A, C, as even though A is available, but it is not at the beginning, hence there is no match found. Similarly, when I'm taking some caret followed by two characters like A, B, so this entire group of two characters have been matched, whether a string begins with these two or not. Let's say I'm going for A, B, C. So first two characters you can see is matching with this A, B, hence a match is found. But when I'm writing A, C, B, even though this A is matching with this, but immediately it does not follow B. Hence, this is not going to match this particular caret followed by AB. Now, the dollar symbol is used to check whether a particular string is ending with a particular character or not. For example, here I'm writing A followed by dollar. So when I'm writing A, because you can see after this we have no more characters, so this can be considered as the ending string. So hence a match is found. Now when I'm writing, let's say formula, so this entire set of characters ends with A. Hence this also a match found. But here you can see when I'm writing cap, though A is available, but it is not available at the end. Hence no match is found for this. Now, the star symbol is going to match either 0 or more occurrences of the pattern present to the left of it. For example, here we have taken MA asterisk N. So, asterisk, before this asterisk, we have A here. In fact, MA is there. Okay. Now, if I see asterisk is going to be either 0 or more. So, now if you can see this example Mn, there is no occurrence of A here. Means A has occurring 0 times. Still this can be matching because A means 0 or more. Now when I'm taking MAN, so one match is found because MA is there. Now here I'm taking MAAAN, so this also because asterisk means what? This A may occur as many times, 0 or more. So here it is occurring 3 times, so this also matching. Whereas this one is not matching because A followed by I is there, okay? No doubt, MA is fine, but after I, there should be an N, okay? After A, maybe 0 occurrence or multiple occurrences of A. After that, N has to be there, but there is no N here, so we have found some I. Again, coming to this woman, you can see again MA followed by N, so this is also matching. Even though it does not start with this because we are not looking into the start or I'm not using any caret here. Just I'm going to verify whether this occurrence of A is 0 time or 1 time or multiple times. So here this MAN is indicating that yes, A is occurring 1 time, hence a match is found here. Now the plus symbol is going to match with either 1 or more occurrences. The minimum is your 1. So now when I'm writing MA plus N, so this MN is not matching because the A occurrence has to happen at least once. So there is no occurrence of A here, hence no match. Now man, this is okay because one occurrence is found. So here A is occurring multiple times, so it is also accepted. And here A is occurring A but one time, but after A I should be getting N here, but there is no N, rather we have some I, hence this is not matching. And women, once again, this is also matching because A is occurring once here. Whereas your question mark is a symbol which is going to match 0 or 1 occurrence of the pattern left to it. Okay. Now I'm taking MA question mark N. So A has to occur either 0 time or 1 time maximum. If it is more than once, then it is not going to match. So here MN, A is occurring 0 times. So match is found. MAN, A is occurring only once. This is also accepted. But here you can see A is occurring more than once. So this is not matching. And this where A is occurring once, that is fine, but after A, N should be there. There is no N, rather I is there. Hence it is also not matching. Whereas women, here after A is occurring only once, which is okay, followed by N, this is also matching. Now curly braces or the braces which is going to consider two parameters here like N and M. So this N indicates this is the least time the occurrence has to be there, and M is going to tell us what is the maximum repetitions that can happen. Now let us see this example. If I'm writing A within curly braces 2 comma 3, which indicates that this 2 indicates that the A can occur minimum 2 times and this 3 indicates maximum 3 times. So now when I look into this example A, B, C, D, A, T, so A is occurring 2 times here, but that is not occurring in a same sequence. Okay, so A is not followed by A here. A is here, that's okay. This is also A available, but these two are not together, hence there is no match found. Now coming to the second one, A, B, C, D, A, A, T. So this is not matching because minimum 2 has to be there. But here you can see 2 A's are present. So this has one match found. Coming to this third example where I'm writing A, A, B, C. So A, A, 2 consecutive A's are present. So it is matching. Here again, 3 A's are present. So maximum 3 is possible. So this is also matching 2 times here. Here 2 A's, here 3 A's. Coming to this last one, again we have 2 A's matching here, one match. Here we can consider, though there are 4 occurrences here, I can consider maximum 3 among them, and that is also matching. So 2 matches has been found here. Now the normal parenthesis which is required for grouping subpatterns. So here we can see we have taken say A or B or C. So we know A or B or C means either of them can be considered, followed by XZ. Now either of A or B or C, but immediately after that XZ has to be there. Now you can see here we have A, B, but there is a B is there, but after B there is a space. But you can see any one among this A, B, C I can take, but followed by XZ, but there is a space here, so this is not matching. Now coming to this A, B, X, Z, so you can see either of this A, B, C, so B has been taken, but immediately after that we have X, Z, so it is matching. Now coming to this A, X, Z, so A I have taken followed by X, Z, this is one match. Similarly here B followed by X, Z, that is another match. So 2 matches have been found here.